Cooking is more than just a daily necessity. It's an art that brings joy, nourishment, and creativity to life. To truly enjoy the process and achieve the best results, having the right tools is essential. This Carote Nonstick Pots and Pans Cookware Set, 16-piece. A game-changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Designed with a focus on health, performance, and convenience, this cookware set redefines what it means to cook with ease and confidence. From its toxin-free nonstick coating to its even heat distribution and durable construction, Carote offers a versatile solution that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Whether you're crafting a gourmet feast, experimenting with new recipes, or simply making quick meals for the family, this cookware set is built to handle it all. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore every aspect of the Carote cookware set and uncover why it's one of the most sought-after additions to modern kitchens. Get ready to elevate your cooking experience to an entirely new level. Why the Carote cookware set stands out? 1. Health-conscious design. The Carote cookware set is crafted with your health in mind. It's completely free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, and other toxins often found in nonstick coatings. This ensures you can cook safely without worrying about harmful substances leaching into your food. 2. Superior nonstick performance. One of the standout features of this set is its ultra-nonstick coating. Say goodbye to stuck-on food and difficult cleanup sessions. With Carote, your meals slide off effortlessly, making it ideal for cooking delicate items like eggs, pancakes, and fish. 3. Rapid and even heating. Uneven heating can ruin a perfectly good dish. Thanks to its reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, this cookware set ensures even and rapid heat distribution. No more hot spots. Your food cooks uniformly, whether you're simmering sauces or searing meats. 4. Durability you can trust. Made with reinforced die-cast aluminum, the Carote cookware set is designed for longevity. Resistant to wear and tear, this set is built to withstand daily use while maintaining top-notch performance. What's inside the 16-piece set? The Carote cookware set includes everything you need to create culinary masterpieces. 2 frying pans, perfect for searing and frying. 2 saucepans with lids, ideal for soups, sauces, and reheating. 1 sauté pan with lid, great for stir-frying and shallow frying. 1 stockpot with lid, a must-have for stews, pasta, and soups. 4 cooking tools, silicone utensils that are gentle on your non-stick surfaces. Accessories, pan protectors for safe stacking and longer-lasting pots and pans. Whether you're boiling, frying, sautéing, or simmering, this set has got you covered. Who should buy the Carote cookware set? Health-conscious home cooks. If you prioritize healthy eating and want a toxin-free cooking experience, this cookware set is a perfect match. Busy professionals and families, the easy-to-clean non-stick surface and even heat distribution make meal prep faster and more efficient, ideal for those with a packed schedule. Beginner chefs. With its user-friendly design and performance, even novice cooks can create professional-quality meals with ease. Benefits that set Carote apart. Effortless cooking and cleaning. The ultra-nonstick coating reduces the need for excessive oil and eliminates stubborn residue, making cleanup a breeze. Eco-friendly and safe. Carote is committed to creating cookware that's safe for you and the environment. Their PFOA and PFOS-free design reflects this commitment. Elegant and functional design. The sleek look of the Carote set complements any kitchen aesthetic, while the sturdy construction ensures reliable performance. The final word. Is the Carote cookware set worth it? In a market crowded with options, the Carote Nonstick Pots and Pans cookware set shines as a reliable, health-conscious, and durable choice. With its superior nonstick performance, even heating, and thoughtful design, it's a cookware set that caters to both everyday cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your kitchen and cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order your set today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.